Hello, bonjour. In this lecture, we're going to go over greetings. Now, how do we say hi to someone? How do we ask how they are? What kind of communication do we have when we are talking to someone for the first time, or maybe just the first time in a day to start off a conversation? So, let's get started. How do we say, hi, my name is Chanel? Or, hi, my name is Mitch. Or, hi, my name's Ryan. Well, let's show you. Hi would be bonjour, okay? So to say hi, hello, hey, you would simply say bonjour. It's 2 syllables, bonjour. So you'd say bonjour. Je, which means me, I, bonjour. Okay? Je m'appelle, my name is. Je m'appelle. So, hi, my name is. Okay? Bonjour, je m'appelle. Donc, bonjour, je m'appelle Chanel. Hi, my name is Chanel. Okay? So, I'll give you 2 seconds to try that for yourself. Just simply fill this in with your name. Bonjour, je m'appelle. One more time. Okay, good job. Now, you wouldn't just stop right there. You would typically want to ask them how they are, how they're doing. So in English, we would say, hi, how are you? Or just, how are you? How's it going? In French, you would say one of 2 things. It is very important to know that in French, we can greet someone formally or informally, okay? The main difference with this is just how you address the other person. So, informally would be when speaking with family and friends, basically, okay? Formally would be an elder, someone you're meeting for the first time, someone you show a lot of respect to, such as a boss, okay? And that would be formally. So the 2 is informally. Okay, I'll put an I there. Or IN, I guess, for informal. And then the vous is formal. Okay? They mean the same thing. We're referring to you. Now, yes, as we have already seen, tu means you, and vous means you, plural. So it's just showing, again, respect, okay? An extra bit of respect. So if you wanted to use informal greeting, okay, you want to speak informally, so you're just talking to your buddies, maybe your friend, someone that you see all the time, you would simply say, comment vas-tu? How's it going? How are you? Comment, how, vas-tu? Okay? Comment vas-tu? And again, if you want it to be more formal, now you're meeting someone for the very first time, you're in a meeting at work and you're speaking with the owner of a company or your boss, again, elders, you would use vous, okay? Comment allez-vous? Comment, again, how? Allez-vous? Comment allez-vous? Okay, so keep that in mind. That's simply how you would say, hi, my name is, and how are you?